friends and families, welcome back. How are you all today? Hope you're all doing great. So I'm back again this week with a new video to share with you. It's my homemade one pot oven baked chicken and rice that I've got to share with you guys today, and I'm pretty sure if you guys watch the video till the end, you will love this recipe and you would want to give it a try. So my friends, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So to get started, I've got 6 pieces of chicken legs and thighs, and I have pre-washed it and pat dried, as you guys can see. And the next ingredients are the ingredients I'm going to use to create a marinade for the chicken. The ingredients I'm going to use are the zest of 2 lemons,
lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
I've also got juice of 2 lemons,
People feeling like the
and next I've got 4 garlic cloves grated,
light has just come. We must never stop the way.
1 tablespoon of dried oregano,
Birds chirping and I hear my name.
1 tablespoon of mixed herbs,
Grasping into life. Life is happy,
1 tablespoon of grounded black pepper,
but it's so insane. We must
2 tablespoons of smoked paprika,
really make a start.
some salt to taste,
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah,
and finally some oil.
we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a
And I'm going to give it a good mix until it's well coated.
Savannah,
Then follow by giving it a taste to make sure the salt level is to my desired taste. And once the salt level is into your desired taste, it will be time to start marinating the chicken. So I am going to transfer the marinade into the chicken, then give it a good mix until it's well coated. And once it's well coated, I'm going to cover it, then let it marinate for at least 3 hours. But remember guys, the longer you leave your chicken to marinate, the better.
lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun.
Okay guys, so while the chicken is marinating, I'm going to quickly show you some ingredients that I will be using to cook the rice. And they are 1 large white onion chopped,
We will always take
4 garlic cloves grated,
a stand.
2 tablespoons of mild curry powder,
For the people, for the land. Let's go back
1 tablespoon of dried oregano,
to when we were young. For the
1 tablespoon of dried parsley,
animals we stand.
some salt to taste,
Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land.
a handful of chopped fresh spinach,
Savannah,
and some chicken stock which I've deleted, and I'm going to be adding it to the rice for extra taste.
I'm coming home. Savannah,
And finally, I'm going to be using 3 cups of broken rice for this recipe, because I find out that the broken rice tend to cook more quickly when it comes to baking your rice on the oven. That's why I'm using it for this recipe. But you welcome to use any type of rice of your choice, and it will still taste nice, but it may take longer to cook. And that is all the ingredients for my rice. And next it's time to check our chicken, and it's been 3 hours since it's marinating.
We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a ride, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah.
So it's time to proceed to start to fry the chicken. And into my frying pan, I'm going to put some oil, just enough to fry the chicken. I'm going to place the chicken skin side down. This is gonna help to crisper the chicken. I love the chicken when the skin is crispy, and I'm pretty sure you do as well. So place your chicken skin side down, and you should hear some nice sizzle. Then cook it for 5 minutes each side before taking it out.
We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a ride.
Okay guys, now that the chicken is been pre-fried, it's time to start our rice. And in this part, I would like to apologize to you guys, because at the beginning of the video, for some reasons, I lost the beginning of this part of the video. So into my cooking pan, I've got some oil, which I've taken it from the chicken I fried earlier on. Then I added the white onions chopped I showed to you earlier on, and followed by stirring it until it begins to look caramelized. And at that point, I've added the fresh chopped spinach, 1 chopped green bell pepper, which again I did forget to show to you guys at the beginning of the video when I was presenting the rice recipe. And I also have forgotten to show to you guys the green beans, which is as follow. My apologies. It's been a lot to show today, so there we go. And next I've got the curry powder, the grated garlic, the dried oregano, the dried parsley, some salt to taste, and finally the remaining marinade from the chicken earlier on. Then I followed by giving it a stir until all is caramelized. Then at that point I added the rice, stir it well, and until it also begin to look caramelized.
Lions roaring in the morning sun.
Then at that point I added the chicken stock, which I've diluted earlier on, and I showed it to you guys, and I have stirred it well, followed by putting back the chicken into the rice, then cover it and take it to the oven.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a light.
So for this part of the cooking, I've set the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I will cook it for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes I will remove the lid, followed by putting it back in the oven and cooked it for a further 15 minutes, and this will allow any extra moisture to evaporate from the rice. Also will help to keep your chicken nice and crispy. Yum. Okay guys, it's time to check our rice and chicken, and it's now cooked. As you guys can see, the rice is well cooked, looks soft and fluffy. Also the chicken looks crispy from the skin and moist from the inside. Yummy. So I'm going to now let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. Yay! I am serving this with garlic and mushroom with a bit of spinach, and I will be showing to you guys in my next video how to do that.
Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be.
Alright friends and families, this brings the end to our today's video. If you've liked the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also don't forget to leave a comment if you ever try the recipe to let me know how it turns out, and also share the video with your families and friends. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning up. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and also share the video with your families and friends. Okay guys, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.